Hi, once again, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. US Independence Day is a massive shopping weekend, but unlimited discounts can lead to profit loss. As customers fill their carts, your discounts can unknowingly eat your profits. Without a cap, every additional items can increase the discount, reducing your profit margins. The problem lies with the uncapped discount, which grows disproportionately with the cart size. The more customers buy, the higher the discount, which can lead to merchants giving away too much. The simple solution is to add a discount cap to your promotions. For example, offer 40% off up to $200 maximum. This ensures that even with the large cart size, your maximum discount is limited, protecting your profits. So if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely without skipping. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more seasonal tips. For setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as your discount type and add for any discount code. Let's add a flat 40% off as our code here and go for a percentage off discount 40 with a cap amount of 200. So this capping amount will make sure that our discount amount will never go beyond $200 even if the cart value is, which means the 40% of our cart value is higher than 200. This cap amount will make sure that the maximum discount will never go or it will not be exceeding $200. By using this cap discount whenever we are running a large percentage based offers, it's a smarter way to stay generous without giving away too much. And you can also apply your discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement for now. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all customers or a customer having some tags or only on first order customers. And if you if you want to limit the usage of this code, you can limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. Let's say 100 here. Then this discount will be available for 100 first users only. And you can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. And you can set some active dates, like you can set the start date, start time, end date and end time through which this discount is active. Like if you are planning to run this offer of the US Independence Day sale on 1 week or a month or 10 days before the Independence Day, then those timings you can set it over here. And you can also combine this code with the existing discounts like product discount or the discount or a shipping discount. And after adding all the details, you can save the changes. Now let's check whether our code has been activated from the discount section. Now you can see that the flat 40% of our code has been activated successfully. Now let's try to test this in our online store. So I'm adding a product of worth 234 to the cart. Let's add this to the cart. Applying the code here, that is flat 40% off. Now you can see that the 40% of 234, which is 93, has been applied successfully. So this customer will be getting a 40% off of their cart value correctly. Now let's test with some other products having a higher price. Now let's try to add this product, which is $5,000 product, to the cart, adding the discount code here. Now you can see that the 40% of 5,000 is greater than 200. Since we have capped our discount amount at 200, the 40% off will not be getting applied completely here. So the customers will not be getting correct amount of 40% of the 5,000, they will be getting a maximum of $200. So this cap amount, whenever we are running large percentage based discount, it's stay as a generous without giving away too much. So that's how you set up a 40% off up to $200 in your Independence Day sale. So while you're waiting for, grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.